Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about one next structure of BBM AOA. It is MHV. MHV is market hilang volume. It is a Malaysian language. In English, market is same market. Hilang is loss. Volume is volume. So the meaning of the market losing volume, it is in English. In our previous video, we already talked about one structure. It is the first structure called extreme. If you are not watching it yet, I put the link in the description. You need to watch it because if you are not understand what is extreme, then you don't know how to identify it and you can be confused to identify the MHV because it is a connection between extreme and MHV. It is a strong connection. It is a must. The extreme is very similar with momentum. The only different extreme and momentum is only in the MA low and MA high is not out of Bollinger Band. Why I talk about momentum in this MHV video? Because the first characteristic of MHV structure is there are an extreme or momentum structure. That's why I talk about momentum first. Alright, let's see how we identify an extreme and momentum. This is the example of extreme. Why this is extreme, not a momentum? This is simple because the moving average, this low moving average is out of lower Bollinger Band. If this MA low not move out of Bollinger Band, then this is called momentum. Momentum and extreme is very similar. The first characteristic is candlestick moving out and closing out of Bollinger Band, moving out of lower Bollinger Band or upper Bollinger Band. In this example, this is live example. This is candle closing out of lower Bollinger Band. So this is extreme down. If this MA low not crossing move out of Bollinger Band, then this is called momentum down, or people can call it trending down also. Let's see more example of momentum. This one is extreme because MR low moving out. That's the difference. This is momentum and almost making good momentum, but it's reject in MR 50. This is almost momentum, but is reject and MR low moving out, so this is extreme. This is extreme because MR high is moving out. Okay, this one is momentum down because candlestick closing out of lower Bollinger Band, MR low not crossing or move out of lower Bollinger Band, then this is called momentum. Okay, this is the first example of momentum. Next, this one also momentum. This one also momentum. Candlestick moving and closing out of Bollinger Band. MR low and high is not move out of Bollinger Band. So this is momentum. So now we understand how to identify between extreme and momentum. Now let's jump into the next structure. The next structure is MHV, market hilang volume, or in English it is a market loss volume. In the next, I will call it only MHV. You already know it is a market hilang volume or market losing volume. So, what is the first characteristic of MHV? First, there must be an extreme or momentum. In this example, we found one extreme. Then there are a chance we found an MHV, and this structure is looking good to be MHV. How we the next characteristic we identify the MHV? It is the candlestick not move out and closing out of Bollinger Band. If extreme or momentum, the candlestick move and closing out of Bollinger Band. So this is extreme. The next after extreme, the market or price making or hitting the TP fix. We already talking about this TP fix in video about extreme. After the TP fix, the market have a chance to make a MHV. It is a downtrend, but the candlestick cannot move out and closing out of Bollinger Band like this one. This is the first the second characteristic of MHV. The candlestick cannot close out of Bollinger Band. Then the next characteristic is there are a rejection, like in extreme. This one is rejection. In MHV is most likely They have a rejection also. This live candlestick, this is live, this is online. This live candlestick is look like making a rejection. So this is the next characteristic of MHV. This is the Euro USD chart and in daily time frame. So in here one candlestick representative 1 day. So if in this 1 day moving market, if this candle closing in green position like this green, in here or here it is green, then it is a rejection candle. After rejection candle, there are a chance to have a retest candle like extreme. Remember, in the extreme they have a rejection and there are the retest. This is retest, this is rejection, this is retest. People open buy in here, people stop loss in here, and they pay fix or take profit. First is in here. So if you already know or remember, after the rejection there are a chance have a retest. Then if this candlestick is rejection, then tomorrow candlestick probably become a retest and people will open buy in this area, retest area, same like this extreme. People will buying after there are a good rejection. This is a good rejection. People will buying in this retest location. Very similar with MHV. When there are retest candle, people will open buy in this area. Very similar. Okay, next, after we already know where to open position, we need to know where to close position. Closing position, there are two probability. First, closing position with a loss. In this live example, the close position with loss or stop loss in lower Bollinger Band, out of lower Bollinger Band. In here people put the stop loss, or some people with cut loss manual. How to cut loss manual? People with cut loss manual habit will cut loss if the retest candle moving out of Bollinger Band and closing out of Bollinger Band. Why? Because if they are closing out of Bollinger Band, it is the characteristic of momentum. Remember, like extreme, very similar with momentum. That's why people manual cut loss if the retest candle is closing out of Bollinger Band. Why some people is do it manual, not putting the cut loss? Because sometimes the retest is move more than the rejection area. The retest candle can move out of Bollinger Band but not closing out of Bollinger Band. The retest can do down in here and then move up, closing back into inside the Bollinger Band. Then it is a rejection. Also the rejection, retest and rejection. So we already know where to open position, and we already know where to cut loss or stop loss. Then where is the take profit area? There are 3 take profit area for MHV. First, in near middle Bollinger Band. Second, near moving average 50 exponential. This is exponential moving average 50. And third, upper Bollinger Band. But some people can hold it because the structure look like we're making momentum when in the upper Bollinger Band. So now we already know about MHV. Now we will looking an example for MHV. This one is live example because it is on progress, making progress. It is online. Now we are jump into already the making one. In this extreme there are no MHV. So we are looking for the next. This also does not have. This also does not have. In this momentum, there are MHV. This is an MHV. This we know this is a momentum. Here is TP fix. The next structure is MHV. The candlestick moving down, but not close out of Bollinger Band. And there are a rejection and rejection, but not a good retest. It is already moved up, hit the take profit area. Okay, now we are looking for the next example. In here, this is momentum, TP fix, MHV, rejection, MHV, hit, take profit, hit, take profit. Next, this is momentum, not really strong, but it is closing out of Bollinger Band, and then TP fix, and then MHV. This is MHV. candlestick moving down but not closing out of Bollinger Band. There are rejection. There are retest. This is a little retest. This candle is closing here. This candle is open here. Then this candle is moving down in the retest area. People open buying in here. And then the price or market up hitting the take profit, hit the next take profit. Okay, now we are looking for the next example. This is extreme, and then going to TP fix, and then this is the MHV again, and MHV again. This MHV is look like hitting the take profit already, the first take profit. Now we are looking for an extreme, so this is extreme, and then take profit fix, TP fix, then this is MHV, rejection, but probably somebody is cutting here, but it is very small momentum in here, closing out very little, yeah, and then price move out. Let's looking for another chart. What chart? Anything? Half 4. Whoa, this USD is in life is trending up, again. So let's looking for an MHV in here. This is momentum, this is MHV, because there are a rejection and then retest, and then hitting the take profit in here. Okay, this is extreme in here, and then after extreme the market making a momentum here, and then the market making MHV in this one, and then rejection, and then this is retest until here, and then market hitting the take profit. Next example, this is momentum, and then here we have the first MHV, but market not hit the target yet, and then another MHV, so this is double MHV, and then there is a rejection. Why this one is not momentum, this one is MHV? Because the candlestick is closing inside the Bollinger Band, so this is MHV, double MHV, and then rejection, and then another MHV, triple MHV, and there is a strong rejection and very good retest in here, and then the market hitting the take profit, the next take profit. Let's looking for the next example. This is extreme, and this is MHV. This, the candle cannot close out of Bollinger Band again, like extreme, and then there are rejection, and then this is the retest, then the market hitting the take profit here, the next take profit here. Okay, let's see more example. This is extreme, and then this one is MHV, but target is not really hit. The market is making an extreme again in here, momentum in here. So if the target is not hit and not closing yet, people is cut loss or stop loss in this candle or this candle. Extreme without MHV. This extreme, and then this is MHV. This momentum, TP fix, MHV, then hit target. This extreme, this look like momentum or MHV. This is confusing. Yes, a little bit. This extreme hit TP fix, then making momentum. Why this is momentum, not MHV? Because the candlestick closing out of Bollinger Band. That's why this is called momentum, not MHV. Remember, MHV is candlestick closing inside the Bollinger Band like this one, and after that there are a rejection. There are no rejection, so this is not MHV, and then market making a momentum. Another momentum, and this one is look like MHV, but there are a gap in this market. Next, last example for MHV. This is extreme, and then this is MHV, rejection, very little retest, and then market hitting the take profit. Alright, now we already know about structure extreme, momentum, mHV. So in the next video I will share the next structure, what it is. It is a CSA, CSAK, and re-entry. So please like this video and subscribe. That will let me know, I know you are like this kind of video, so I will share more content like this. I will share what I know. So see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.